Hello, and welcome to this 9th video in using Blender for video editing. In this session, we're going to just review all the things that we've talked about so far. So getting into the video editing screen, importing our video, making cuts, moving the strips along, saving to a video file, saving the project file, and that's pretty much it. Just one non-stop session just covering what we've talked about so far, so you can see it all in action. I'll try to use the mouse exclusively, so you can see the things I'm doing instead of using keyboard shortcuts. And that's pretty much it, so let's get started. So first click this away. I'm going to click over here, scroll down to get to video editing, and I will start by dragging in the first video. So the plan is we're going to take 2 videos and just videos that were films created using Blender, and just pull out the bit at the intro that has the name Blender in it. Great. Now I'm going to take this pane and switch over to the properties view, and let's match what we have here with our video that we brought in. 1280 by 536. 1280 by 536. And I'll press enter there, and I will use the mouse wheel there to zoom that up a bit. And now I'll just scrub through to try to find, okay, there we go, there's Blender. So let's start the cut right here. Go to, let's make sure they're both selected. Oh, okay, there. Okay, soft cut here. And where does it finish? Up to there. And stops there. Okay. And cut here. It looks like it's already selected, so I'll go ahead and cut there. Good. Okay. And I will delete the ones I don't want. So holding on Shift and right click, and strip, erase strips. There we go. And I could move these over all the way to frame 1, or I could just, the easier thing is just to go to where this thing starts, which is about there, and changing the start point here by just typing that in, 37. Okay, so now I'll pop over here. And this time, instead of dragging and dropping, I'll show the other way, which is going to add movie and picking the other one, Sintel, just by double clicking, and once again just scrub through until there it is, until I see that Blender name, and I will go to strip and cut. Okay, and then let me use my middle mouse button to scroll over. See where it stops. It stops. Oh, okay, there. Alright, so I'll select that. Hold on Shift, select the other one too. Go to strip, cut. Okay. And now I can use my middle mouse button to bring me back over here. I will get rid of these, so select and hold Shift, select, strip, erase, confirmed, and then select and hold on, select, and just, how do I do this again? Okay, this time I'm going to press G and just slide them over, and I can just let them, you can see that there's red around each of those strips. It means that if I press the left mouse button now to release, then it'll just automatically pop into position. So now I have what I want. So if I go back to the starting point there and just scrub across the Blender animation, out and in, and then this one, sorry, in and out, and down to there. And I can now set my end frame 194, And let's just say this is a good place to save before anything should happen. So I'll go to File, Save, and I will call this number 9, I guess, because that's this video number. And now let's make this and video export. So I'll click here on PNG and change that to, oops. Yeah, that happens a lot. If you move your mouse too far away off of the whatever pops up, then it disappears. It can get annoying. Not that I'm complaining. Okay, so FFmpeg video. I'll go ahead and type in a name here. Okay, that's fine. And I'll say 9 MP4. 9.mp4. And encoding. Click on presets. I will take H.264 in MP4. It sets those things, and I think that, oh yeah, audio codec. And I'll take AAC at that. Okay. All set. Everything's good now. I'll just scroll this back up and click animation. And it's starting to export. It should be done pretty quickly. Let me go ahead and just, while we're waiting for that, I'll just go to that location, the output location. Okay, is it done? Yep, it's done. All right, so now just click run that. And I'll full screen. Whoa, that's loud. Okay, let me just. Okay. So that was it. That didn't take too long, I guess. And we covered, I think, everything that we've been talking about to date. I don't know, I was on vacation for a bit and I forgot lots of stuff. But I think that was all the main things, right? If not, I can. Well, anyway, I mean, this was basically just a demonstration of how to go from start to finish, and I think we covered that off well enough. So that's it for this session. See you next time, and have fun blending. Okay, bye for now.